Hi everyone.
This is
When I
called
explain
campaign,
things, you
and
see
this
the
is
one
called
is
nang.
wrapping around
Nang.
the bamboo tree that is
And
called
this is a
pot.
noun called
Pot.
nang.
Pot.
Nang say this is bamboo tree. It's called nang. So this is called nang. And this is called knech. Knech. Knech is like eye. Eye. E-Y-E. Eye. Knech. This is called nang. Band or note. Nang. And this is truy. 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 And the whole thing is called wan. War. And this is called knang. Knang. And also I want to show you there is another word for knang. Knang tna. Knang tna. It means that disappointed or not happy. Knang tna. The same spelling as these two, but another word. Tna. Knang tna. And add another word. Tna. Tna. Knang tna. It means disappointed. Similar to the spelling of this word too. Knang. 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 Thank you everyone.